This is Rohan. He is an executive at a PMS firm. He is busy with work at all times, even while commuting, and even when he is with his family. Wonder why he's stressed? He's the guy in charge of the tricky CSCRF rollout. Are you in a similar situation? Don't worry, cause Nanda Mohan Shenoy is here. Introducing Mastering Cybersecurity Cyber Resilience Framework 2024. It's happening right here in the City of Dreams on 23rd and 24th June at Hotel Bawa International, Ville Parle East. It's led by NISM-certified India's top cybersecurity expert, Nanda Mohan Shenoy. Register now. The link is in the description. Come on, join us, people. What are you waiting for? Hurry up and become CSCRF certified like Rohan now. For any queries, feel free to contact 99 877 69261.